Hello everyone, this is a response video to Addicted to Minis. He was talking about how much constitutional it takes to make 1 ounce of silver. Well, it's $1.40, which I've got laid here. But he got cute with what he was showing and decided to put in his description of $1.40 some seated Liberty coins. Now they're kind of hard to find seated Liberty coins at that kind of price, but I have a few that are near melt and a few that are a little bit above. We'll start with this 1842.0. It was $4. It's beat up pretty bad, but it is a dime, and $4 is a little bit over melt, but not super bad. Now this one's been through hell and back, $2.50. So yeah, you could probably, if you can get them that cheap, you could put together an ounce of silver, especially if it's one like this. It's the date's messed up. It looks like 1850 to me. I'm pretty sure it's a 5.0, but anyway, it's $2 when I bought this, so I mean it's beat up and it's hold. And I've got a few more here. This 76 was $3.50, which is a little bit much for melt, but I got this half or quarter, I mean, for $3.50 once, so that's a lot closer to melt now than what it might have been when the day I bought it, but it's very worn. Now, if you go with half dollars, this is a little over, but this is the cheapest half seated Liberty that isn't hold I've been able to get. I do have one that has a hole in it I got for $12, but that's that. Now, I do have a couple other examples that are, this one for $5.50. It's quite a bit over melt, but it's in pretty good shape other than the gouge there in the field. Got really good details left on it. But $5.50 isn't extremely expensive. This one's kind of worn and dirty and stuff. $5 is a more than twice melt though. Now quarters, $6 for a quarter is quite a bit over melt right now. At least a couple dollars. Melt was right around $3.80 today or something like that for a quarter. It's not quite twice. This one's real close to being twice melt. 1858, and it does have severe gouge over here. So when you're showing an ounce of silver, you only really need to show stuff like this. But if you want to get cute about it, you could say, well, that's that and that plus, where's some other dimes? 4 dimes, and that would be 2 ounces of silver. The ounce I had showing plus this ounce. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 dimes, 2 quarters, and a half dollar. Now, granted, as worn as these are, it might not actually be a full ounce. You might require, with that much wear, to have at least 1 more dime or maybe a half dime. Half dimes, I've not seen too many of them real cheap. I mean, the only 2 half dimes I have rapid access to are these two, and 20 and $12 are just not, they're way over melt. But you could say it's an ounce and it's neat looking stuff, but if you're going for just strictly the cheapest ounce you can get, buying seated Liberty coins is probably not going to be a very good option for that. Anyway, if you like this kind of video and this kind of content, please like and subscribe. And go check out Addicted to Minis and Loving It's channel.